Hey there, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to register and bid on a SimpliSold home. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the online offers portal. From there, you're going to go to view homes. You'll go ahead and choose the home that you're interested in bidding on. Now from here, it's going to say log in or register to bid or create free account. Either of those buttons will work. So let's go and create a free account. So we're going to go ahead and put information in here. Put that email in there. And then you're going to create a password. You're going to put your phone number in there. You're going to click the button that you're not a robot. And you're going to hit sign up. Now, what's going to happen here is it's going to say a verification link has just been emailed to the email that you registered with. So if you do not see the email in the inbox in a couple minutes, please check your junk or your spam folder. So from there, you're going to go over to your email. You're going to open up your email, click continue on the email that showed up there. And from there, it's going to take you into a profile page where you'll continue entering your information. And then you'll click save. Now from there, what you'll do is you'll go back to the SimpliSold offers site. And from there, you will go back to homes. You'll go back again to the property that you want to do. Then you're going to register to bid. So it's a two-step process. So now what's going to happen is when you click register to bid, it's going to ask you some bidder information, some buyer information, and some agent information. So which describes you best? Are you a buyer, the actual buyer, or are you an agent? Are you working with an agent? Yes or no? Okay. So we'll check no there for this demonstration. So from here, it's going to pull up the information that you entered into your profile. Okay, you're going to click continue. Now from here, it's going to say to upload your docs. Now this is important because in order to be allowed to bid on the property, you have to upload either a proof of funds or a pre-approval letter. Okay, so we're just going to upload just a generic doc here, just so we have something to fill that space. So you'll check the boxes. You've read the terms of use and privacy policy, 18 years of age or older, and then you're going to submit. Okay, so now it says bid registrations completed successfully. Your request has been sent to the listing agent to review. So what happens now is on the back end, we will review either the proof of funds or the pre-approval letter that you've uploaded and submitted. And then once that's reviewed, then you will be authorized or approved to go ahead and start bidding on the property. Now from here, once you get the notification that you've been approved to begin bidding, then you'll just go back to the property. And from there, this is where you will place your bids. Super simple, super easy. That is how to register and bid on a SimpliSold home.